Welcome back, guys, girls, to another episode of Dad's Toy Garage. Tony and I and Bob have been putting a lot of time into this thing in the last couple of days, and one friend who wants to keep his name quiet. But today's video, we are going to be cutting the driver's side quarter panel and tack welding stuff in place, and hopefully we can get a nice bulge out of it. I'm really excited. I've seen this done once before on the internet, and I know they do it in pro touring stuff. And we've been kind of thinking this is turning into more pro touring build. So that's cool, I like pro touring cars. So follow along, let's have some fun in this video and see what we get out of it. Alright guys, this is kind of how the stretch looks. You can pull it out now, and then this will have to be pushed in like this. But that will give us our needed wheel gap.
This was the drive shaft, the two-piece long drive shaft with a hanger bearing. We needed to shorten it for our car, so these are the measurements we took. Cal's custom TIG was doing us a favor here. They've got it just tacked for now, and they had to make it fairly heavy. Well, how he explained it to me is that's about the thickness that the tube's supposed to be, but our two whatever adapters are different diameters, so it has to be thicker on this side. So they had to use a really thick tube for it. So it ends up being, I don't know, at least 25 pounds or 20 pounds probably.
And
but
the one end is machined, like in your right hand? To have
machined.
it fit?
Well, I think they're both machined.
Okay.
A little bit. What he said, they machined them to a bit of an interference fit, and then they heat it up, and then slide this into the tube.
Oh,
so
nice.
Then it's supposed to fit nice. But yeah, we'll mount it and see how it fits.
All right.
Whew, that's gonna be hard to mount.
You're gonna have to mount it with the pumpkin in there, hey?
Some of my final stuff here done for the rad, where we need a way to hold these down, like so it's located in the bottom of the frame here.
Yeah.
Where it went into the frame on little pieces of hose that I used like this, and so that'll keep it in place. Now we just need something to hold it down, and so these rods here are going to be welded to our strut brace, and then I didn't cut these at the right length, but these are going to sit in here at whatever angle it has to be on this side, clear the rod, so something like that. And then this side will be the same thing, and that'll hold the rad down and keep the forward and back movement down.
Alright guys, this is tack welded. We've built our inner wheel arch kind of from here, I guess wheel tub. It's not really a tub anymore, it's just a sheet.
Yeah.
But from here to here, it's
I'll do a
tacked in
close up
place.
of the inside there.
You get a light in there.
Sure.
So it's just all tacked right now. And the next thing I'm doing is, I started the top gap here. Just welding a sheet in there. So now I'm going to do the same here. And that'll tie this all back together really nicely. So
Yeah.
this is actually really strong already just by tack welding it in place like that.
And the lines look really good in it.
Yeah, it's hard to really show on camera, but it's very nice. It flows really well. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice.
And you can see where I filled in the steel here. This was very mangled to start. So there will be a bit of extra work that needs to be done here. The bottom of the rear quarter down there is rusty, so I'll have to rebuild that part. Everything is tack welded at this point on this side. You can see these done, and inside there, that's done till where the rocker's gonna start. And the other thing we've done is I added the triangle piece that I've been talking about in here. right there is dead on the side. We'll go to the other side. That's the same point right there. So you can see the stretch. Alright guys, girls, thanks for joining us on another episode of Dad's Toy Garage. I'm feeling really good about the quarter panel stretch. We've got it stretched. I would like to get the other side done, so we're probably going to have to transfer, maybe figure out how to transfer the wheel arch shape is going to be important to me and Tony to get that right. So transfer that shape to the other side. We'll get creative on that. Maybe I'll have some more friends down to figure that out. But until next time, we'll probably talk to you in a week.